Hi everyone, I'm reviewing the sprinkler head from Dramm that fits on their sprinkler heads, and this one is for low pressure, for watering plants. Even with low pressure you get a pretty nice spray out of it. And I just kind of go from plant to plant and water them indoors. In addition to watering indoors with a low pressure, I also like that it gets between plants that are planted close together. So you can actually do the crowded plants and just get in between them. And you can also do individual pots, small ones, and just regulate the pressure so it's not a lot. But you can, do small pots, big pots, and I have quite a few here to water, as you can see. And this helps a lot, even with the pots, where I have quite a few that are individual pots. So I can get into each pot without making a big mess, and also go in between where plants are planted pretty close together. So I think you can see some of this, what I've got going here. But I found this to be very useful. Plus, I have it attached to my, a hose that's in my, well, it's actually a stationary tub. And the water pressure is not good. So this helps a lot as far as the water pressure. So I hope this review was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.